Hi, Blue Tater here. We're on Desert Harbor Lake in Peoria, Arizona, 85381. This is the northwest waterfall right here. Kind of a dual waterfall. One there, one there. See the water flowing from up the river a little ways. And over this way, this is the 91st Avenue boat launch right here. The boat launch is under construction. They're resurfacing it. So right out there, the traffic going by, that's 91st Avenue. And you see right down here where these ducks are, this is the fountain. At about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening, it starts shooting off at night. It's, I don't know, 15, 20 feet high, I guess. Has lights shining in it so you can see it real well. When the fountain's not going, the ducks like to hang out there. Kind of like a little island for them. It's kind of a funky looking, looks like Batman right over here on the shoreline. That little Batman looking bird over there. And once again, as we pan to the north, there's the dual waterfall, the northwest waterfall, in all its splendor and glory. I hope you enjoyed it. Potato, potato, potato.